Namaste children. Yesterday we have seen different changes like slow changes, fast changes, physical change, chemical change, then exothermic, endothermic changes, reversible, irreversible. How they are brought about, that also you have seen by heating or cooling. Heating means increasing temperature, cooling means decreasing temperature. Now we will see what happens with if any substance is heated. When any substance is, I told yesterday, heat means the symbol is a triangle. Whenever you are heating a substance, what will happen? It expands. What happens? Expands. This is also last year we have discussed. If it is cooling, what effect it is? So, effects of heating and cooling of objects. What happens? If you are heating, it expands. If you are cooling, it contracts. Contraction, or it contracts. So, this you will be seeing by the small experiment already what you have done last year. That is, take one bowl of water which is cool, whereas in another bowl you take a hot water. Take one empty bottle, fix to its mouth a balloon tightly. So empty bottle contains what? A dry empty bottle contains air. So you keep it in hot water. What happens? The balloon inflates, that means blows. Bring it and keep in the cool water bowl. What happens? It will contract. This is the best experiment for cooling and heating, expansion and contraction of the air. You will be observing. Same way in day-to-day life where it will be used. Suppose in villages, if you have observed, bullock carts will be going. In the bullock cart, the cart will have a wooden wheel. The wooden wheel is fixed to the wooden wheel. One metallic rim will be fixed for smooth running on the road. So that metallic rim means nothing but like a ring, metal ring, like your bangle, metal ring. So what happens in the summer season? That metallic ring will be little bit, the diameter will be less than the wheel. So it will be, how they will be fixing? By heating, the rim will be expanded, then they will fix in the wheel. So when it contracts, what will happen? The wheel comes out. It becomes small contraction. So when it is cool, it will get contract. How they will be fixing that less diameter? By heating it, the rim will expand, then they will fix. After fixing, after some time it will cool, contracts, and it tightly fixes in the wheel. This is one day-to-day application, what it is in expansion, where it will be working. Now same way, another example, see, whenever any person is getting fever, means what you will do? You will be checking with the thermometer. What will happen? The thermometer contains one bulb. In that bulb, what will be having? Mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal. So what happens if the temperature? What does the thermometer bulb contains? Mercury. So this mercury, if anybody gets, it is a liquid metal. So when you are keeping in the mouth, this liquid metal takes the body heat and it expands. Then you can see the reading. So how is expansion and contraction taking place in day-to-day life, we have observed now. Now what we have, the effects of heating, the expansion and contraction in day-to-day life. Two examples. One is wheel, I have told. Another one is mercury, thermometer. So now coming to the next part of the chapter is what causes physical changes and chemical changes in day-to-day life. Some examples we have seen already, but once again. So what are the causes? First of all, we will be seeing not only heating and cooling, what is happening? What is the cause? The first cause is mixing. You will be mixing two things, materials mixing, physical change and chemical change occurs. For example, you want to prepare a sugar solution. Then what is happening? When you are taking one glass of water and mixing sugar, and it will be dissolved, occupies the internal molecular spaces, occupies sugar solution will be becoming. Same way salt solution. When you heat it, the water gets evaporated into water vapor. Then when you any cool surface it is touching, again water you will be getting, and what will be left over in the bowl? The sugar. So this is example by mixing for the physical change. Same way by mixing chemical change, if you observe, what is the soft drinks? See, thumbs up, Coca-Cola. What will be having? Some when you are just shaking it and opening the Deccan, what will happen? Some hissing sound and some gas will be coming out. That is carbon dioxide gas will be mixed in that. So by mixing, that is a chemical change. So carbon dioxide is released. Now when you are doing, so what will be left out? The composition is changed. Now there is no carbon dioxide in the bottle. So that is by mixing. Now next coming to heating and cooling. Heating and cooling, the best example is for physical change is water. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. When you are taking out the solid ice out of the refrigerator, it becomes into liquid state, that is water. Again when you are keeping in the refrigerator, it becomes again into solid ice. Same way when you are boiling water, it becomes into steam or water vapor. Now this water vapor when you are cooling, it becomes again into water. This is the best example is formation of water cycle in the nature. This is physical change. Same way heating and cooling. See, in case of this effect is, suppose you are raw egg, and when you are this raw egg is heated and putting on the pan, you will get the omelette. Again you won't get back. Same way raw egg, raw potato and boiled potato, soft it will become, and again it won't become raw potato. So cooking of food is best example for the chemical change in heating and cooling. Then coming to moisture in the air. Moisture in the air, when you consider, this is humidity, the percentage of humidity what is present in this, the snowfall, the cloud formation, these are all coming under physical change. Whereas moisture in the air, in the chemical change, that is rusting of iron. Here iron is becoming into iron oxide. The composition will be changed. So color will be changed in this case. So again from iron oxide you won't get back the iron. So this is best example for effect of moisture for the chemical change. These are all what are the effects of heating and cooling the materials, and what are the effects of what causes this physical and chemical changes in nature. Some examples we have seen. You collect some 3-4 examples. Again note down in the day-to-day life examples and note down in your assignment book.